Hello everyone. So today we will discuss a most important project. We choose a dataset, a pharma dataset analysis. So the name of this project is Pharma Product Analysis Dashboard Overview. In this project, we analyze overall overview about the dashboard of pharma. How manufacturers, which product make very cost, which product have a high cost, like that. For this project, we use a Power BI business intelligence tool for whole analysis. So let's start it. So first of all, we discuss about the objective of this project. So, so the objective of this project is to identify discontinued pharmaceutical products, analyze pricing variation across brands and manufacturers, understand product distribution by doses from and therapeutic classes, evaluate manufacturer performance based on product count, pricing, and discontinuation. So, what is the process to making an interactive dashboard in a Power BI? So, we understand step by step. First of all, we load the data in the Power BI. After that, we do the data cleaning preparation. Then, if we upload more than two tables, we create a relationship if they exist. We create a DEX measures. DEX measures is a data analytics expression which have a advanced visualization for our business problem. Then we build a interactive visualization. After that, we do for interactive dashboard some formatting like some text or some background color or the size of the visualization like that. So now let's understand about the data set. Okay, so this is a particular data set in which we have columns. A data set have a total number of count rows is 2,53,973 as you see in the display. Okay, so in this data set we have a product ID, a brand name, the manufacturer company like a Sun Pharma or a Galaxy Semicline Pharmaceutical Limited. We have price in Indian. Is it product discontinued or not? Is discontinued means it give a boolean expression like a true or false. If it discontinued, then it give true means the product is removed from the catalog. Then we have a column like dosage form. How the dosage form? It is a tablet, syrup, cream, suspensions like that. Then we have a pack size. What is the size of the that pack? Is a 10, 500 like that. A pack unit. It is a strip, bottle or something else. A primary ingredients. What the primary ingredients used in that product like amoxicillin, ambroxol, collodion like that. A primary strength means the weightage 500 mg, 30 mg, 120 mg like that. As you see, there's some null values. We do all this in a Power BI in the transformation. Okay, so this is all over the overview. So our data set. Now we move our dashboard. So this is a particular dashboard which I make for the pharma product analysis, and the dataset name is Indian Pharmaceutical Product Link. So for the first step is to upload a dataset in a Power BI. You can choose many sources like if you click on the get data, there are many different type of source. Whatever you source choose, you can click on it and upload the data in the Power BI. After that, when you upload the data, you will go to the data transformation. I choose a data transformation. Click. See the pop-up is open. If the data set is very big, like that's my data set, it is more than a 2 lakh. So it takes some few minutes for opening the transformation. Yes, it is opening. So this is the panel look like a data transformation. So I already opened the option view. In the view, if you click on the column quality, that is the very big source for easiness. If I click, it tell me each column it is a valid, then it's 100%. If there's error, it gives some percentage. If it's the empty cell, it also gives some percentage. So I already clean the data set. Suppose if I have some empty column as I talked in the previous slide, like suppose if I have missing values, you see the 0. I replace the missing value in the 0. So how do you do this process? So the simply is many pop-up function is open. If you remove, you can remove. You want to remove error, you can do. You can also change the type of the column. Sometimes the situations comes out the column is a numerical but it considered as a text. So from here you can change the data type. A data transformation, like what type of transform you can do. You want to do changes some lowercase, uppercase, some trim. Trim means extra space you want to remove, clean. You want to check the length of particular cell, whatever you do. You can do replace value. I will click on the replace value. Then what I next step is to take value to find. What I to find? I have to find a empty cell. So I will remain same. In the replace with, I will type 0 and then it will automatically replace all the null values with a 0. Similarly, you can do more other transformation if your data set have a more null values. So in my data set, I have some few columns which have an null values which I replace. So if I talking about doses form, I have also a null value. So what I do, I will replace all the null values with a not defined or something else. But make sure you have to do a data cleaning process before the go to the visualization. After that, you can do all the process of the data cleaning. What you do, you can click on the close and apply, and then it takes some time to upload your clean data set in the Power BI. So now discuss each and every page what the visualization is talking about. So on this page, this is an overview of our data set. So I some take a manufacturer's brand name and dosage form. These three columns are the used as a slicer. A manufacturer, if I click, I will pop up open of all manufacturer. If I choose a brand name, it will open all the brand name. If I choose a dosage form, it will open all the dosage form. So what is the use of slicer? Suppose if you want to see a single particular brand name visualization or a dosage form, like I only want to see a capsule, then I click, all the visualization will change across only that you choose a dosage form like a capsule. So if you see in this visualization product by dosage form, it only see the capsule visualization, which is a very helpful for more advanced analysis. If your client want to ask something like that, suppose if they want to ask something a brand name like 8 and 10 mg, and they want to choose a dosage form like manufacturers, then it will all the visualization will change according to that slicer which you choose. So see, if you choose a manufacturer satellites, only have a to one product that is active, and this is a not a discontinued product, that's why it is to apply. I will reset this. So this is the use of the slicer in your visualization. Now, I have a total product is 253,000. From them, the active products are 2,046, and a discontinued products are 7,905 are the discontinued products. Discontinued means the products which are removed from the catalog. Here I some use a buttons which can I go from the second page. Suppose if I choose this button, then I automatically go to the manufacturer inside page. So this things is a very helpful for whole analysis, and you can show your skills from this advanced function that you have so much knowledge about the Power BI. Now we discuss active versus discontinued. So let's see something extra which I use in this project, that is a DEX queries. So here you can see I make a more extra column using a text query that the column's name is total products. So I want to count the how many total products I have. So for that I use a count function for this dex query. What this function do? It will count in your data name Indian pharmaceutical products clean, all the product ID it will count, and I give name this overall summarizations for analyze is a total products. Now, second, I use a dex query is a discontinued product. I want to know how much product I have discontinued. For that, I use a count function. What it will do first in the dataset Indian pharmaceutical product clean, it will choose a product ID and from that product ID what I condition use in that data set. If it discontinued, then only is equals to true, means if the product is discontinued is equals to true, only those product ID it will count. For this all over the analysis that I give this column name is discontinued product. Similarly, for I want to analyze how many percentage it is discontinued. For that, what I have to do in the data set discontinued product, I divide by total products. So it will all statistics analyze give me the discontinued percentage. Now, next we focus over a dashboard that is active versus discontinued. So in this pie chart, the sky blue color is a false, means is a discontinued, and the dark blue is showing me a true, that is it is an active product. So in our analysis, the product is discontinued is only a 3%, that is 7,000 products are discontinued, and 96% products are not discontinued, that is 7,000 products are discontinued and 2,046 products are not discontinued. So the pie chart is showing this statistics. So see the raw data, you can easily see a good analysis from this pie chart. Next we have a product by doses form. From this, it will give the analysis of how much a product used. Suppose a tablet use of 53,000, injection use 32,000, capsule use 22,000, and goes on. Next, we have a price comparison dashboard. In this, what I have to do, I want to analyze how much a dosage form use. For this, I find solution use 11,031, injection use 893, and others so on. Next, I make a table for finding a manufacturer, what is the sum of all over manufacturer, and what is the count of product ID. Suppose if I choose about, it give me a maximum price is this, and the count total products from this manufacturer I have a 17,777. Alright, now we move on a manufacturer's insights. Or see, this is a simple that how much a manufacturer make a product, like a Sun Pharmaceutical make a product 2,986, Cipla make a product 2,467, and others so on. Next, we have a table in which I will show a manufacturer name, how much total product it manufactured, is it discontinued or not, or what is the average price. Then I make a maximum price according to the manufacturer. So what I find, the manufacturer Gensimin Pharmaceutical have a maximum price that is 0.44 millions. Second highest manufacturer is Rocher Product India Private Limited, and so on. So this is the all overview of the pharma product analysis. I hope this project is very simple and easy to understand.